Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. Today I'm going to show you how to use AI art. And since I'm using my phone, it's not applicable, but I'm going to demonstrate how it's done, right? So here we're going to see right here the AI art, all right? And here it says push your imagination, think deeply about the image that you want to create, and then write your prompt and incorporate some of your answers to the questions above in your description, and then refine your prompt with boundaries, and then click generate, and then rework your prompt, and then use a generative fill, and then download your own AI art. So you're gonna see a demonstration just like this young kid right here appearing to you, and basically you'll be able to do it from there. And as you can see right here, you will see many amazing photos right here. And as you can see right here, the Eiffel Tower is in the desert, and you're gonna see right here a flower made of steel, and more and more and more. So basically it's pretty easy to use a generator AI for your work, but you will need to take into the consideration that the AI art may be gonna cost you some money. So basically, if you are ready to do that and you're willing to invest yourself, just go ahead and do that. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.